Remember, put it in first. When you come around the corner, that's when you throw it in second. And you hit it. Put it in first. Hit second. Hit second. There you go. You hit it. There you go. You ain't put it in second, bro.
I did. I put it in second. I was going so fast.
Keep going, keep going.